Today we are having an experiment between sodium and water. We are trying to see the reaction between these two, what it's going to give us. It's going to give us sodium hydroxide and hydrogen will be liberated as a gas. So firstly, I'm going to add this red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. So this will help us detect whether the solution that will be produced is an acid or a base. As you can see, there's no reaction. The color still remains. So when we add this sodium, wow, a reaction is occurring. You can see the gas liberated. The litmus paper and the color has changed. And you know that this thing is very reactive. Sodium is under the group 1 element, so that's why it's very reactive. As you can see, hydrogen is still liberated. And it seems the color of the water has changed. It doesn't look the color of water again.